Fred, you've been in the trenches with me from the beginning. What has this journey been for you?
It's been a crazy fun ride.
We are launching a TV show. And not just any TV show, but it's gonna be like a cleaning talk show.
My favorite moment is when you took over editing on your own programs. Editing takes a long, long time. It's fun shooting the video. It's great. It's really, really fun shooting it. Editing it, you're sitting there alone all night long, day after day, working on making every transition work perfect, making all the lighting consistent, making everything just look as perfect as possible. When somebody else does it, it's just kind of a good feeling. There's good chances of anybody of making it on YouTube. You know your product, you are kind of fun and crazy on camera, you're willing to work for a laugh, work for the comedy part, and that's just fantastic. Nobody wants to watch somebody talk, like I'm talking right now, nobody wants to watch me talk for 2 minutes. But watching Gianna talk and throw a little comedy in it, and doing something silly like pretend to lick a toilet bowl, that's just crazy, and you don't see that every day on TV. And then her timing is perfect, like Lucille Ball. She's going along, everything's cool, calm, like normal, and all of a sudden, boom, there's something really funny coming up, and you just didn't see it coming. And you just crack up laughing at her. Not being totally prepared, sometimes it's just as good as being totally prepared. If you're totally prepared, sometimes it doesn't come off as being as authentic. And if you've got a good idea of what you want to do, but not exactly how to get there, there's more authenticity to it and more fun along the journey. Milestone TV show is just raising the whole game to another level. We're going to be on TV twice a month or twice a week, every week, and we're going to have new shows out on a continuous basis. That's fantastic. And saying that you work on a TV show, that sounds really, really high dollar, high class.
Except for there's no dollar. You've helped me tremendously, and I couldn't be or do what I've done without you. So my question to you is, if someone's out here watching this and they're thinking, oh, this is the guy that's been helping her, how can you help people who are watching my videos? How can you help them?
If you want to do videos, which everybody needs to do videos, everything, you used to buy radio ads, you used to buy TV ads, newspaper ads, you used to advertise all the time. The whole world has shifted to videos online. 90% of the information you get on a product or a company is a video online. If you feel like you've got a message message that you want to share with the world, go ahead and shoot some videos. Shoot it yourselves. Don't hesitate to shoot yourself with your phone. But if you want maybe just a little notch above that, give me a call and we'll come in and shoot the video. We'll shoot with a couple different cameras. We'll put in some B-roll, make it look really cool, make everybody happy with the product at the end, and then you share it on Facebook with everybody who might be interested in your product. My expert opinion is grab your cell phone and shoot your little videos yourself, your little commercials. Keep them short and sweet, keep them about 30 to 45 seconds, maybe a minute. Tell who you are, how to reach you, and then go into the video and just do it. These videos, you never know what's going to go viral. We shot a few at Shanna's mom's house, and I just love shooting there. There's so much room to move around. It's like working in a movie studio. There's just tons of room to move around. Usually I'm trying to figure out where can I put a light, where can I put the microphone, where can I put this, where can I put that, and we got very limited space. But at their house, there's nothing but room. It's easy to work with, and it's like working on a movie set, really.
Yeah. Are you calling my house small?
Same as everybody else.